Hey, everybody! Welcome to our channel, and in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can disable Facebook offline activity tracking. Dear friends, before watching this video, don't forget to put your likes, write comments for sure, and also, dear friends, subscribe to our channel. So, let us get started with you. Please open the Facebook app on your device. And then please go to the menu section. And then on the top right, click on the gear to open settings. Next, you will need to go to the Meta Account Center. Now scroll down a little bit and select your information and permission. Now friends, select your activity section. And then at the very bottom you'll be interested in all three items that you'll see. To get started, just click Clear Activity History and click Clear. After which please go back to the back. Select Disconnect. And if you have any activities now, you can stop them as well. You can also go to your Activity Manager and you can also control them or switch them, for example to deactivate your activities. That's how you can quickly and easily deactivate offline activity tracking on Facebook. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Don't forget, dear friends, to subscribe to the channel and put your likes. See you soon.